How does my face look?
Which half? The rug burn half or the stare bruise half?
I think you just answered his question.
So, now that the dog show's over, hey, I just had a crazy idea. Why don't we go to Rumble Juice?
How is that a crazy idea? We go there all the time. Let's do something else.
No, Logan, I think that's a great idea. What could be better during a snowstorm than an ice-cold smoothie?
Wait, hold it right there. Click on the Disney Channel logo to make sure you're the first to see the latest show clips, exclusive interviews, interactive games, and more. Or for more great shows, click on the left or right box. Thanks for watching Disney Channel on YouTube.